This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about breakfast. Do you usually have breakfast every day?
Yes, I try to have breakfast every day because it gives me energy to start my day. I usually eat something light, like toast or cereal, and pair it with a cup of tea or coffee. It's a routine that keeps me focused in the morning.
What is your favorite breakfast food?
I love having pancakes with a bit of honey or fruit on top. They're delicious and feel like a treat. On busy days, though, I usually go for something quicker, like a banana or some cereal.
Is breakfast important to people in your country?
Yes, in my country, breakfast is considered a very important meal. Many people believe it sets the tone for the rest of the day. A common breakfast here includes eggs, bread, and tea, but habits are changing and some prefer quicker options now.
Have your breakfast habits changed over time?
Definitely. When I was younger, I used to skip breakfast quite often, especially if I was in a rush. Now I make an effort to eat something every morning, even if it's just a quick smoothie or a piece of fruit.
What do you usually drink with your breakfast?
I usually drink a cup of coffee with my breakfast. It helps me wake up and feel more alert. On some days, especially when I want something lighter, I go for a glass of orange juice or just plain water.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a piece of art you like. You should say what it is, where you saw it, what it looks like, and explain why you like it.
One piece of art I really admire is Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. I first saw it in an art book in high school, and I was immediately attracted to its unique style and bright colors. Later, I saw a copy of it at an exhibition, which made me appreciate it even more. I haven't seen the original, but I've read a lot about it and seen many replicas. The painting shows a peaceful village at night under a swirling sky. The dark blues and bright yellows stand out, with glowing stars and a shining moon lighting up the scene. A tall cypress tree stretches up in the front, almost connecting the calm village with the lively sky. The mix of the calm landscape and the energetic sky is captivating. What I love most is how Van Gogh's bold brushstrokes and textures make the painting feel alive. The swirling sky looks like it's moving, and the stars seem to dance. It's not a realistic picture, but it's full of emotion and imagination. Knowing that Van Gogh painted it while in a mental health hospital adds even more meaning to the artwork. It gives us a peek into his feelings. For me, Starry Night represents the beauty and mystery of the universe. It makes me curious and thoughtful, reminding me that art can express feelings and ideas that words can't. It's a timeless masterpiece that continues to move me every time I see it.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of art. How does art influence people's lives?
Art impacts our lives by inspiring creativity, helping us relax, and letting us express ourselves. It can make us feel strong emotions, spark new ideas, or start interesting conversations. For some people, Art is like therapy, helping them deal with tough times. It also gives us a fresh view of the world and helps us connect with our feelings.
Do you think children should learn about art at school?
Yes, children should learn art in school as it fosters creativity, critical thinking, and self expression. It allows them to communicate emotions beyond words and explore different cultures. Art balances academics, enriching their education and nurturing well rounded development. It's an essential part of understanding the world and developing personal and social skills.
How has technology changed the way we experience art?
Technology has made art more accessible by allowing people to view famous works online. It enables new art forms like digital paintings and animations, broadening creative possibilities. However, the emotional impact of seeing art in person, like a painting or sculpture up close, often remains unmatched, offering a more intimate connection.
Do you think governments should invest more in promoting art and culture?
Governments should spend money on art and culture to protect our history and keep our identity strong. Funding helps everyone enjoy art and supports local artists, which can attract tourists and help the economy. Art also inspires new ideas and creativity, which are important for a better future. It keeps our culture alive and growing.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.